Hey friends, so in this video I will show you how to blend image and text in Photoshop. So any document size you can create, and according to your requirements actually you can create. Just select the this tool, text tool, horizontal type tool, and like create a box here and type here the text you want. And if you want, you can change the size, for example, and font you can also change. Go to File, Place Embedded, and place the image that you want to blend with the text in Photoshop, and type this. Now select this layer, press and hold Control if you are using Windows operating system. If you're using Mac, then Command, and click here inside this, not here, here in the layer, so you can see the text is selected. Now you can select the layer, shoes layer, and you can apply from here. See, this is add layer mask, so you can apply layer mask, and layer mask has been applied. Now you can select brush tool, and the size you can select, and from here make sure the white is on top, and here now you can see this. Just do this and you can see as much as you want. You can see, use the brush tool according to your requirements, and see it looks amazing. See, awesome. How you can see the text and image, you can blend both of them in Adobe Photoshop. So this is the quick tutorial we have done, and you have learned a lot in this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends so they can learn this new thing and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.